Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. So guys, I've decided to be sourcing for different kinds of products for you guys to make it easier for you to purchase, especially for those of you who are into businesses like kids clothing, adult clothing, shoes, handbags. So I've decided to be sourcing for you guys so that you will know all these new trendy, high quality, beautiful designs, different designs of shoes, kids clothes, adult shoes and handbags and etc, so that it will be easier for you guys to maybe take the screenshot from my video and take it to 1688 or Pindodo to get them, or you can ask me for the links to the video. You know, Christmas is close, so if you want to start if you want to sell kids clothes, shoes, handbags, slippers and all that, I think this is the best time for you to buy them for sea shipping, so that you can have new beautiful quality designs to sell in Christmas time. Okay, so that being said, let us dive right into the video. So in this video I'll be showing you different types of handbags, high quality luxurious handbags that you can buy to sell to your, you know, all those rich auntie customers of yours. So sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. So guys, this is the first bag I have here. This particular bag is very classy. It's like it looks like it was made of glass, but it's not. So I've seen a lot of people selling it on Instagram for like from 15,000 to 20,000. So this bag is hot selling, so you can get this one and the quality is good. So the price is going for 35 yuan, 35 RMB, and that is let me convert it real quick. That is 7,962 naira. So this bag now, it comes in different colors, as you can see. So it's going for 7,952 naira. So the second one I have here is this brand is Miss Gail brand, London Art. It's very beautiful. Their bags are always of high quality. So if you are looking for new designs, beautiful luxurious designs, so you can go for this one. This one is going for 85 yuan. So that is 85 times 2 to 7.5, that is 19,337 naira for this bag. So let's move on to the next one. So this one is one of my favorites. I also love this brand. This is Marc Josel brand. It's this kind of bag is hot selling. Everybody knows when you carry this bag, it gives you that, you know, it looks like all these branded bags. I think it is Dior inspired bag. So it is very beautiful. And this is Marc Josel. This brand is called Marc Josel. It's their bags are of good quality, trust me. Their bags are always luxurious and good quality. So this particular one is going for 115 yuan. It's quite pricey. So 115 times 227.5, that is it's going for 26,162 naira. It is luxurious. This is a bag they will sell for like maybe 50k in Nigeria. So let's move on to the next one. This one is also Marc Josel and it is beautiful. I love it. So this one is going for 116 yuan. That is 160 times 227.5. So that is 26,390. So this bag you are seeing here now is going for 26,390. It's very nice. So this one is also Marc Josel. Oh my god, all Marc Josel bags are beautiful. You know, they are very beautiful. Before I forget, guys, I want to start giving shout outs to my fans, those of you who always find my video worthy to be watched. Every time I upload videos, you guys always come to watch my videos and drop nice comments. Like, you guys always drop beautiful comments in my video. So guys, from now onwards, I'll be giving shout outs to anybody who drops beautiful comments in my video. So guys, today's shout out is for Kamichen de Sakwe. He dropped this comment, he or she dropped a comment in one of my videos. Good evening, ma. I am new in your channel and I like everything you are doing. Thank you so much for this comment. Thank you for liking everything I am doing. So guys, if you want me to give you a shout out, do well to drop beautiful comments in any of my video, and I'm going to pick the best comments and give the person a shout out in my next video. So guys, that being said, let us continue. So this bag I have here is also Mac Josel. They have good quality bags, so it's going for 116 yuan. 116 yuan, that is 200, and that's 26,390 naira for this bag. So the next one I have here, which is also one of my favorites, I love the color, the green and is this white or milk color combined or gold? Yes, there's also gold. It's lovely. So this one is going for 115 yuan. So that's let's quickly do the conversion. 15 times 2 to 7.5, that is 26,162 naira for this particular luxurious handbag. When anybody sees this bag, they will want to rush it, like, you know, it is classy. So this one is going for 105 yuan. It's also beautiful. These bags are for rich aunties, like rich aunties. 105, 15 times 2 to 7.5. So it's going for 23,887 naira. It's beautiful. This one here, oh, this brand is Cosio. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Cosio brand. It's luxurious and beautiful, and it's going for just 105 yuan, the same price as the last one. That's 23,287 naira. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful and it's screaming luxury, man. It's going for 110 yuan and comes in different beautiful colors. 110 yuan, that's about 110 times 2 to 7.5, that is 25,025 naira. It's lovely and the price is good. So this one is also going for 105. This is also lovely crocodile pattern bag. Guys, this is nice. This is nice. It comes in different colors. So this one is also going for, that is 105 yuan. 105 times 2 to 7.5, that is 23,887 naira for this bag. It's beautiful. This is another crocodile pattern, but in a different pattern. Is similar to the other one. So this one is the same price, 105 yuan. It's also lovely. I love the color. It's calm, it's baby pink, it's beautiful. So this one is another one. I've unboxed this video in my previous unboxing video. I've unboxed this bag in my previous unboxing video, so the quality is good. This one is okay. 98 yuan. It's going for 98 yuan. That is how much in naira? 22,295 naira. 22,295 naira for this bag. Comes in just two colors. That's blue and brown color. This one, I told myself when I saw this bag, I said I'm going to get this bag for myself because the color is so unique. The bag is so classy. I've not seen anybody with this bag. It's very beautiful. It's going for 89 yuan. 89 yuan. That is a 20,247 naira for this bag. So this one is the brand is called is this Sufeyang? Is that Sufeyang? I hope I pronounce it well. So it's going for 58, just 58 yuan. The price is very okay. That is 13,195 naira for this bag. So I have another bag here. This one is going for 69 yuan. This one is a Valentino bag. Yes, think it's Valentino that has this V shape, or is it Louis Vuitton? I don't know. Sometimes I confuse all these designs, all these branded bags, you know. So 69 yuan is going for that's 15,697 naira for this bag. So it comes in different colors. I think it comes boxed, fully boxed. The minimum order for this one is 10 pieces though. If you want to buy this bag, the minimum order is 10 pieces. So this one is going for 51 yuan. It's good quality leather bag. It's going for 51 yuan. The minimum order is also 10 pieces. So 51 times 227.5, that is 11,602 naira for this bag. It comes in different beautiful colors that you can buy, and people will love them. They are good quality bags, trust me, good quality bags. This one is another Cosio bag. The quality is good. It looks so luxurious and it's screaming class. This one is going for 95 yuan. 95. So 95 multiplied by 227.5, that is 21,612 naira for this bag. It's beautiful, very very beautiful and classy. This one is also beautiful. It's cheap, good quality as well. It is very very cheap. I've seen somebody selling this bag on TikTok for like 25,000 naira on TikTok live. I saw it. So it's going for 41 yuan. So 41 multiplied by 227.5 is 9,339 naira. You see, they are selling it 20 something thousand. So this is another one. This one is going for 43 yuan. So 43 times 227.5, that is 9,782 naira for this bag. 9,782 naira for this bag. So these are the few bags I have for you guys today. I hope you love the designs I showed you today. I'm going to be showing you different designs in my other videos. My next video, I'll be showing you different designs of slippers, like slippers that are hot selling, that are going to be irresistible when your customers see them. You can also buy them for your personal use if you like any of them. And if you need the links, don't forget to reach out to me on any of the social media platform, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. You can find the links to my pages in the comments below. So just click on the list. It will take you directly to my page. Okay, so guys, watch out for my next videos. I'll be showing you different beautiful two-piece clothing for adults, kids, different beautiful shoes for kids as well, that you can order for your children, or you can order for sale. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if what you saw in this video you like them, they are beautiful. Please don't forget to click on the like button, then drop comments, and also share this video with your loved ones. Thank you once again. See you in my next video. Bye bye.